Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. Our today's recipe is easy mutton fry, which I learned from my mother-in-law. We called it as Paul at our home. Thought to share this easy, yummy and spicy recipe with you all. It will be very helpful for working ladies and freshers to the kitchen. If you have the cravings of having spicy non-veg, then follow my recipe. For this we need half kg of mutton. Crushed ginger garlic or 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 medium size onions chopped, 1 big tomato, 2 green chilies. In spices we need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. For garnishing, white sesame seeds and coriander leaf. Take clean and washed mutton into a pressure cooker. Add crushed ginger garlic, and chopped onions. Now add in roughly chopped tomatoes. Here roughly chopping is enough. Now our curd goes into it along with 2 green chilies. Now it's spices turn. Add all the dry spices one by one, following with oil. Like coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric, salt and garam masala. Now let's add in our flavoring ingredient, coriander leaf. Here I am adding only half of the quantity, remaining half I kept for garnishing. Now mix all together very well. No need to add any water into it. After mixing, transfer this pressure cooker onto the stove. Close the lid and cook it on high flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, reduce the flame and cook it for another 4 to 5 whistles. Open the pressure cooker when it releases its pressure completely. This is the magical structure you will find as curd releases too much of water. Switch on the stove and keep the pressure cooker on very low flame. Cook the mutton till the water completely evaporates. It will take some time, but do not worry. If you take thick curd, then you can skip this step. Take a pan, add a teaspoon of oil and spread it. Here I am going to add half teaspoon of cumin. Adding cumin is completely optional. Transfer the mutton into the pan and fry the mutton till the oil separates from it. Here adjust the salt and the spices. Adding pepper is also completely optional, as I like the flavor of pepper, so I am going to add. Here my mutton fry is completely ready. Now I am going to dish it out. Transfer the mutton fry into a serving bowl. Garnish with ginger juliennes, coriander leaf, and some sesame seeds. Garnishing with sesame seeds will give a restaurant look to your dish.